soul. Pieces of fate to replace your teeth with ones made out of gold. Pieces of fate, pieces of fate, pieces of fate. Pieces of fate to cover with sand and mark on a map with an X. Pieces of fate to buy a bird that talks but never pecks. Pieces of fate to buy a patch to cover your squint eye good.
Now you're beginning to look like a pirate.
Oi, and all you need now is that Kowitzi pirate name. Like perhaps One-Eyed Willie, Morgan Freeman, Dan Sleegan, or the greatest pirates of them all, Master Splinter.
But it's gotta fit your personality.
Aye.
Well, how does your name fit your personality?
It's a long story.
Not even gonna talk about it.
But anyway, you get the idea.
Yeah, I guess so, but no name really comes to mind.
Hey, it will come to you at last. Just do what I always do. And follow your heart. That one.
Blue. There's nothing more a man could do. Don't get your bollocks in a twist. Settle down, don't take a fit. You drank with demons straight from hell. They almost nearly won as well. You wiped the floor with victory. Then puked until you fell asleep.
Than the fat kid.
Pieces of fate from the captain's chest divided among the crew. Pieces of fate are hidden away in the socks tucked into your shoe. Pieces of fate to buy you some rum wherever grog is sold. Pieces of fate to replace your teeth with ones made out of gold. Pieces of fate, pieces of fate, pieces of fate.
Has this ever happened to you guys?
I bet that one sucked.
They make crappy telescopes.
Oh, I bet.
You know,
I bet.
it does
You know, I
have a
bet
pirate
that one's
logo on
from.
it.
People are gonna think I'm a horrible person for making a joke about Uganda. Except you.
No.
And I swear
We
that
encourage
was
that
that was going straight. The world turns apparently.
What? Don't talk such blasphemy. World is.
That plane's just flying really weird.
It is. It's a weird mother plane.
All right, let's move out.
Let's roll.
Don't you dare speak.
Oh, great. This is worse than when I got lost in Target.
Hands, catch up. Where the crap did Monty go?
Oh, and a barrier. Doesn't my day just get too fantastic? Oh, I got over that easier than I planned. hell? I'm gonna find my way out of this one. I get so tired on this excavation. You guys, wait till. This is why I never go to the mall with you guys. You guys walk way too fast. Where you guys are, I still can't find you. Is that you? Is that what? What the is that? What? Ah! Ah! You guys, knock it off. Knock it off! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Quit it out! Oh, where do I go to now? Where do I go to now? Oh. It's there now!
Monty!
Boy.
What are you doing?
Well, I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Right here.
I lost you guys.
Here, hold my
I
hand.
lost you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Nah! Oi!
Hold it there.
Seriously?
Dude,
Sorry, guys. I'm a little clumsy.
do you think? You do it again, I'm gonna hit you in the testicles. Okay? I give you one shot at doing it. That was your one shot. Ah!
Yeah, I'm that clumsy. I'm so clumsy that things spontaneously combust when I touch them.
Pants alone.
Oh,
Hang on just a second. Remind me of your last name again.
Jones.
I think we have a name here. Clumsy Jones. Eh?
I like it.
Hey! You bugger off!
Apparently, I tripped coming out of the womb. Kinda hurt. I do remember it. For being clumsy, I have a really good memory. Is that a plane?
You got one chance.
I don't like you poking me with that sword.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Kind of have to sort out, get excited every once in a while.
Is that a herd of
Let's get out of here before those